Hey guys, so welcome to my man cave. I'm trying to do better videos and unboxing videos. As you can see behind me, I've got, it's kind of hard to see the top, we've got about 13 Star Wars helmets and a lot of different views up there. So tonight, thanks to my friend Kurt, he introduced me, and I know there's a couple of videos, and I saw really one of the reviews, and it wasn't great. So I thought I'd do my own review of this guy. In Canada, it just came in. He thought, and again, we're in Canada, so I know these were only available in the United States for quite a long time. But today, I got my hands on a GameStop exclusive Transformers Modern Icons Soundwave. So again, even with the box, being the geek that I am, the box, obviously you've got the instructions on the side. But one of the really cool things is, being a nerd that I am, I love the fact that it actually has the iconic Gen 1 animation from all the toys that we grew up with on the back. And for me personally, I think that's just the icing on the cake. Disclosure, I did open it up, I put batteries in, make it a little bit easier for you, for me to do the review. But other than that, I haven't put it on or tried anything yet. So that's all we did. So again, let's open it up. Given the fact that most of my helmets behind me are Hasbro and they're all Black Series, I expect, the same kind of quality. Nothing fantastic. It's great. I always keep all my boxes because when I transport them, I always like to keep them safe. Typical packaging. Nothing fancy about that. And there we go. So this wonderful little guy, put this here. All right, so it comes with, as in the other review I saw, it's got your basic instruction manual, which covers the assembly, how to put the batteries in, how to operate the effects, a little button, and it comes with 3 pads, which I really like because that makes a big difference, and how to replace the batteries. The reason why I like the pads is because I've noticed that out of the Hasbro series stuff, it's really great, but we have the Iron Man Punisher behind me, and it fits great, but it's not comfortable. When they put the Spider-Man helmet, when they came out with this one, they put very similar padding, if you can see it, in the back and the top, and it makes the Spider-Man helmet super incredibly comfortable to wear because of that foam. And I think that's why they started doing it. Again, it's really nice because if you have a larger head and a bigger sized person, you can wear the helmet that way and it'll fit better. But if you have a smaller head like I do, hey buddy, this is Spaz, by the way. He likes to hang out and do reviews with me. So again, the pads that they have are really great because they really do help for the padding and to fit the helmet. And they give you 3 little Velcro strips, and they even show you, which is actually more than I thought, where to put them in the helmet. All right, so that's all set up there. The helmet itself looks amazing. It's quite heavy. It's actually about as heavy as the Darth Vader helmet, the Black Series, so it's got a lot of weight to it. Great quality. Again, I love the scuffing effect of it. It's got the prints on the side. It's got nice coloration to it. Beautiful red eyes. I mean, it's a great helmet. The back is held together with just a couple of snap taps. No big deal there. Really easy to open. And the inside, I love the detail of it, and it's great. Just like most of the Black Series, even though it's a small thing, you can 3D print your own. Got a great little nose piece here. And one little tiny Easter egg that a lot of people would notice is that right here, if you can see it, it's got the Decepticon symbol on the nose. So cute little Easter egg that I never saw a review on anybody else posted. And they're really great. So let's go ahead and follow the instructions here and put these in, because I know for a fact that I have a smaller head and it's going to be really great to have these in. So all you do is, it's a little sticky tape here. Let's put this in here. So you can adjust each one. All right, one over. And let's see, let's do the top one first. Right at the top of the head there. One there. And take the other one here. It's definitely easier to take these off, by the way, rather than put the helmet, these on with the Velcro. And the second one says it's supposed to go on each of the big side panels. And those are the foamed areas up at top here. We'll put one here, center, and one on the other side. And again, put this in here. By the way, the price point for even Canadian, they do really well, just like most of the helmets when they first come out. So if you see this, grab one. They're $149 Canadian, which is really a good price. Anything over $149, you're already paying way too much, and that's brand new out of the box. So we'll put one helmet on the top. Or sorry, one little foamy. Velcro side off to the side. Kind of put that up to the top so they match up. And third one, and up here. Again. So they're going to overlap just a little bit. I think that's by design. So now you got a really nice cushioned helmet in there to really help bring it up and make the helmet feel that much more comfortable. And that's going to be huge when we put the helmet on. All right, let's try this guy on. Let's see what it looks like with the lighting. Great, locks it in, fits comfortably, and again, it's really low on my head. If I want to look at you guys, I need to look up and look around. And it fits okay this way, so really didn't do a lot for me that way. So I'm going to move this foam helmet a little bit to the front and see if that makes a difference. Let's see how that works. Let's try that. The side fits really great. So all I've done now is move the foam towards the back and give it a little bit more support on the front of the helmet and see if that kind of raises it up to make it a little bit more level. And it still fits really low. But again, if you stand up, it's really loose. So what we're going to do, what I recommend, how loose it is, it's definitely a big helmet. And if I wanted to wear this on a regular basis, I'm going to want to enlarge it because it's a big helmet. So really loose on that, really loose on it. Really big and really loose. Not a big issue. It's not a big game breaker. I mean, you can throw extra padding in here if you want. You know, I can put extra padding on the top. You can customize it, obviously, do a little tweaks into it. Not a big deal. Again, it's not something that I regret purchasing. It's a helmet. It's not a cosplay. The biggest thing now is to try to let the lighting. And like the previous review, the sound comes from here. Sound the quality of it is great. The level of volume, horrible. You know, there's a trade-off. They did use the official voice, the official, you know, all the official tracks from the original Gen 1, which is super cool. If you're in a loud environment, you're never going to hear this. I really wish they could increase the volume, and that's literally the only downside, and the fact that it's a bigger helmet. But again, it's not a cosplay. It's not designed. It's supposed to be generics for multiple size heads. I'm incredibly happy with it. And let's just try this on and see how we look with the red linen. And it gets brighter. I don't even need to take the back up to put it on my head. But it's a great purchase. It's a great addition. It's super cool for $149 Canadian. A little bit tweaking on the padding on the inside. Definitely worth it. Beautiful quality looking as far as the Hasbro. I hope they come up with other ones. I'd love to see the, you know, the Bumblebee. You know, obviously Optimus Prime. I mean, an Optimus Prime would be easy. I mean, you're pretty much the exact same helmet. And Megatron, Starscream, like even some of the Ironhide, like some of the original helmets. I mean, there's nothing you can do, and I'm sure it's a huge market, just as popular as the Black Series helmets behind me. I think anybody that's a true collector of these things and doesn't have a 3D printer or making their own, with the time and effort just to pay for it, $159 or $149 Canadian. It's worth to add to the collection. It's just a good little deal. It's a lot of fun to wear. And again, even if you were to make your own costume over the Halloween, they are definitely cool. It's worth it. So I hope you like this review. If you have any questions, comments, I'm trying to get better at doing a lot of the geeky stuff that I have in my den as we purchase things. Now that we've kind of got a Halo light, we have a better phone, stand for doing reviews. So again, I do hope you guys like it. I hope you pick one up for yourself. If not, of course, it's up to you, but it is a good deal. And once again, thank you for watching. And I hope to do way more reviews in the future of everything that I purchase that is geek and post it on my YouTube video and help other people out in making their decision to purchase some of this stuff. All right? Peace out, guys. Live long and prosper. And have a great long weekend. And that's it for now.